So you want to travel, but you don't know how to pick a place to go. So you want to travel, but you don't know how to pick a place to go. Well, here's your girl, AlieshiasAdventures, here to give you 5 ways to pick places to go. Okay, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So I have a list so I can help you all out and tell you how I pick my places to go. So, honestly, like the first thing, if there's an event somewhere, that's how I pick I want to go. So Essence Festival, pure example, that's in New Orleans. I know I want to go to Essence Festival. That's how I choose New Orleans. So if I'm like, okay, this is happening, Carabana, that could be happening, Carnival in Trinidad, like those are big popping events. And so that's where I want to go. So then that is where like the trip is, that's how I plan that trip. So that's the first thing, is if there's an event going on, then I plan that trip. And I mean, secondly, holidays. So like Memorial Day, Labor Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas, those are all holidays. New Year's, those are all holidays. You want to be like doing something fun, going somewhere. You got your 3-day weekend. And so that's how I plan around those too. And honestly, like if you're in school, take advantage of those Christmas breaks, those summer breaks, and just like try to plan something, travel, and therefore like those are your days. Because I mean, when you get grown, you have a real adult life, you don't get all them like free days off or whatever. You ain't got to worry about sick days, leave, and stuff like that. So that is another time for holidays. That's how I pick where to travel. And sometimes it'll be like my friend's birthday. So if they want to go somewhere, we're like, okay, let's go. Like, you want to go to Miami? Let's go. You want to go to Atlanta? Let's go. That's where I went to a couple of my trips with my friend. And some other things is last year I went to Jamaica for my birthday, but it was like a place that I've never been to. I was like, it's my birthday and I want to go. So like when it's my birthday, I'm like, okay, where's some places that I want to go that can be like a cool poppin' city I can turn up and have fun. That's how I chose that. And last but not least, the best thing that you can do is visit family. Because when you visit family, you have somewhere to stay. So you only might need to take a car. You might need to only take a flight. And you stay somewhere with somebody. And I mean, that's literally like what all you need to do. And you can save on a hotel, Airbnb. You fly out there, you hang out with them, you give them a couple of change dollars or something like that, and boom, you're on your merry-go-way and you traveling. So let me recap. The 5 ways is if there's a special occasion, holidays, my friend's birthday, or my birthday, and then if you have family in that city. That's ways I pick to travel. So yes, if you like this content, you like this video, let me know. I could do some more. Like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Okay, because we come in with videos every week. Ew.